Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best iMac is probably one of the most iconic and powerful desktop computers available, seamlessly blending stunning design with exceptional performance to create a computing experience that's both beautiful and incredibly productive, making it a top choice for creative professionals, students, and anyone who appreciates a premium user experience and a clutter-free workspace. Number 5. SEENDA SKM64-2 Rechargeable Wireless Keyboard and Mouse Combo for Mac. Effortlessly switch between your Mac, MacBook, and iPad with just one click. This combo supports up to 3 devices, making your workflow smoother than ever. Experience a keyboard and mouse built specifically for Mac users. Enjoy the familiar Apple layout and perfect compatibility with macOS, iPadOS, and iOS. Say goodbye to disposable batteries. This set features convenient Type-C recharging, offering long standby times and an auto-sleep function to conserve power. Work or study in peace with our quiet, responsive keys. Enjoy a satisfying typing experience without disturbing those around you, perfect for any shared space. Its ultra-thin and lightweight metal design makes it easy to carry anywhere. This combo is not only durable but also a stylish addition to your workspace. Fully compatible with macOS 10.12 Plus, iPadOS 13.0 Plus, and iOS 13.0 Plus. Ensure your device has Bluetooth 4.0 or higher for a seamless wireless connection. What we like. Seamlessly switch between up to 3 Apple devices with ease. This combo is rechargeable, eliminating the need for constant battery replacements. If you are a Mac and iPad user who values a quiet workspace and eco-friendly convenience, this is the perfect choice for your daily tasks. What people say. The Mac desktop has a sleek and modern design that complements any workspace. Its powerful processor handles demanding tasks with ease, making multitasking seamless. The vibrant Retina display offers stunning clarity and color accuracy for creative work. Number 4. KAMRUI Pinova P2 Mini PC. Experience unparalleled speed with its true 4-core AMD Ryzen processor. It consistently outperforms others, ensuring smooth operation even with demanding tasks. Enjoy breathtaking visuals on up to 3 4K displays simultaneously. Its integrated graphics are significantly more powerful, perfect for productivity and entertainment. With 16 GB of RAM and a 512 GB SSD, multitasking and loading times are a breeze. You can also expand its storage capacity for all your needs. Connect effortlessly with versatile ports, including USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C with 10 gigabits per second speeds and DisplayPort output. It also features gigabit LAN, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. This mini PC is incredibly compact, saving space and making it perfect for travel. Its advanced cooling system ensures quiet, stable operation. We stand by our product with lifetime technical support and a 12-month satisfaction guarantee. Count on us for a reliable and enjoyable experience. What we like. Experience desktop-level performance with its robust AMD Ryzen processor, significantly outperforming competitors. It supports triple 4K displays, making it ideal for multitasking professionals and home theater enthusiasts. If you need a compact yet powerful machine for demanding workloads or immersive visual experiences, this mini PC is an excellent option. What people say. The Mac desktop is incredibly fast and handles all my demanding applications with ease. I love the sleek and minimalist design of the Mac desktop, it looks fantastic on my desk. The Retina display is stunning, offering vibrant colors and sharp details for all my creative work. Number 3. FIFINE A6T Blue USB Gaming Microphone Kit. This microphone features a cardioid pattern that isolates your voice, making it clearer and fuller. It's designed to leave a lasting impression on your listeners, whether they're in a streaming room or listening to a podcast. The automatically changing RGB lighting, specifically in blue, adds a realistic and vivid touch to your gaming or role-playing sessions. This dynamic lighting enriches your stream or game video, helping you stand out on platforms like YouTube. Effortlessly control your audio with convenient function keys. Adjust the volume using the gain knob or quickly mute your mic with the tap of a button, all without needing to interact with your computer. This silent and convenient operation ensures an uninterrupted gaming experience. This set includes a suspension boom arm, providing ample desk space for your keyboard and mouse. A pop filter and shock mount work together to reduce unwanted noise and vibrations, delivering brighter sound quality. Get started with your live stream without delay. Its plug-and-play design streamlines your workflow, allowing you to connect quickly and start talking to your audience and teammates. The secure Type-C USB connection prevents audio interruptions. Inside the box, you'll find the microphone with a shock mount, pop filter, boom arm stand, USB cable, C-clamp, and user manual. Please note the C-clamp is suitable for desktops up to 2 inches thick. What we like. Elevate your streaming and gaming with dynamic RGB lighting and studio-quality sound. Its plug-and-play functionality ensures you can start creating content immediately without complex setup. If you're a content creator or gamer looking to enhance your setup with vibrant visuals and clear audio, this microphone bundle is a fantastic addition. What people say. The sound quality is excellent, clear and crisp without any distortion, which is crucial for both his schoolwork and gaming. The RGB lighting adds a fun touch, and he loves how it makes his gaming space feel more professional. The adjustable stand is sturdy and easy to position, allowing him to set it up just the way he likes for both sitting and standing during class or gaming. Number 2. Apple iMac MF883 LLA 21.5-inch desktop. Introducing the Apple iMac MF883 LLA, a powerful and sleek desktop computer designed to enhance your productivity and entertainment. Experience seamless multitasking with its 1.4 GHz dual-core Intel Core i5 processor, capable of reaching up to 2.7 GHz with turbo boost. This ensures smooth operation for all your demanding tasks. With a 500 GB serial ATA drive, you'll have plenty of space to store all your important files, photos, and videos. Keep everything you need right at your fingertips. Immerse yourself in stunning detail on the 21.5-inch LED backlit IPS display. Its 1920 by 1080 resolution, powered by Intel HD Graphics 5000, brings your content to life with vibrant colors and sharp clarity. Enjoy fluid performance with 8 GB of 1600 MHz DDR3 SDRAM. This allows for effortless switching between applications and smooth operation of OS X Mavericks. This desktop boasts a beautiful, minimalist design that complements any workspace. Its all-in-one form factor saves space while delivering exceptional performance. What we like. This compact desktop offers a streamlined Apple experience at an accessible price point. It's perfect for everyday tasks like browsing, email, and document editing. If you are looking for a simple, reliable, and space-saving Mac for basic computing needs, this model is a great starting point. What people say. Included corded keyboard and mouse. Microphone and speakers work great. Seems to function properly. Enable speech to text. Say command, open Siri. Will then follow other commands, but you will have a microphone icon open on your desktop. Aside from the minor scratches, the device is definitely worth more than the price. I had absolutely no issues setting it up and decided to perform an update. Hopefully after the update things still run greatly. Number 1. Apple iMac 27-inch Retina 5K Desktop MK472 LLA. Experience breathtaking visuals on a 27-inch Retina 5K display. With IPS technology and a 5120 by 2880 resolution, every image comes to life with incredible detail. This desktop is powered by a 3.2 GHz quad-core Intel Core i5 processor. It handles demanding tasks with ease, ensuring a smooth and responsive user experience. Enjoy seamless multitasking with 16 GB of 1867 MHz DDR3 memory. Plus, with a 512 GB SSD, you'll have plenty of fast storage for all your files and applications. Immerse yourself in vibrant graphics powered by the AMD Radeon R9 M380. Stay connected with the built-in FaceTime HD camera for clear video calls. Stay connected effortlessly with 802.11 AC Wi-Fi wireless networking and Bluetooth 4.0 wireless technology. It's designed for your modern digital life. What we like. Immerse yourself in breathtaking visuals with its stunning Retina 5K display, perfect for creative professionals and media consumption. Powered by a robust Intel Core i5 processor and ample storage, it handles demanding applications with ease. If you desire a premium, high-performance all-in-one Mac for graphic design, video editing, or an exceptional desktop experience, this iMac is the ultimate choice. What people say. The M2 chip offers incredible performance, making multitasking and demanding applications run smoothly. The Retina display is stunning, with vibrant colors and sharp details that bring content to life. The compact and elegant design fits perfectly into any workspace, and the build quality is exceptional. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.